This is how to make fried rice with tuna.
It looks like kanin baboy.
Tama. Let's upload this in YouTube.
Don't eat that because it's like harmful.
Yeah.
Not harmless.
It's just gonna, it's just gonna give you diarrhea.
You're gonna make demanda by the end.
Yeah. Hi, Casey. Casey. Ayan, nag-aalo na po ng ingredients ang ating Chef PT. Chef, magaling na magluto pero ang kukunin PT.
Demonstress.
Tama.
You IT nursing.
Yeah. Ano ba kukunin mo, Casey? Pangit mo?
Malang culinary.
Okay lang yun.
We're gonna apply to the culinary school.
Tama.
Kahit taga-urong lang.
Yeah.
Kahit taga-urong lang.
Tapos pala may mangyaylam ng mga kung ano-ano din.
Tama. That's your purpose.
Tama.
Pag ito walang lasa. Ito kasi.
Wala talagang lasa yan. Kukunti. Ba't dito parang dilaw? Diyan orange. Pepper yung...
Yan, wala tumataktak. Wala.
Kailangan ilagay na natin sila lahat.
Tama.
Wag.
Ang ating dalawang chef.
Shit.
Chef Rosebud and Chef Mitch. Tama.
I'd like to be,
Ako si Rosebud, ayoko si Mitch.
Ayoko kay Rosebud. Babo yun.
Sandali lang. We're gonna add pepper.
Okay lang sa pepper.
Babo kaya yung luto.
Wait.
Gago ka.
Hindi naman lumabas.
Pwede mo ka napakadami.
Wala nga lumabas, oh.
Hindi, bakit lalagyan ng pepper?
It's because to make it, more colorful. Tama. Gusto mo lagyan ng cheese?
Naglag.
Ayun ang may cheese pa.
Powder.
Yeah.
So yung cheese?
Ayoko nga.
Yeah.
Tangina mo, papakainin mo kung gano'n. Ayoko na
Video pala, we cannot zoom it. So we're gonna make manual zoom.
Tama na yung plato.
Yan, tapos na.
May buo pa asin.
Tama.
Patrick, come here. Eat na.
We got no ulam.
So, we
Ano yung isa?
mix the leftover foods from
Yun!
the...
Yeah.
Tama.
Aya. Ipapangit nyo?
Kasi yung may hawak para wala ng buto eh.
Magbubuhat na kanina na foam. Walang buto.
Ilagay mo dito!
Ay, upload natin ito sa YouTube,
Tsura lang.
Basta.
We're gonna make a hit on the YouTube.
Yeah. Hits.
How to make fried rice.
Yeah. And the viewers will like, ew.
What kind of food is that?
Yeah. It's like kaning baboy.
What?
But the international users will not understand us.
Use.
Yeah. Watch the end.
Yeah.
The end part was good.
Yeah. It's like the fried rice from yung
Kasi
chocolate.
ba?
Kubo-kubo. Yung sa may ano pangalan nun?
After we eat, we're gonna make unahan to the CR.
Yeah.
Because
We already got diarrhea.
yeah.
I'm gonna download ano pa pala? Music.
Oh, that's okay. Sayang, ala tayong background song.
Tapos na po.